Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use Microsoft Team with the planner from Microsoft company in order to organize your work or your tasks. This is very important for secretary, for the organizer, for the planner, in order to organize the tasks and also to schedule the tasks for next meeting for the top management or for the manufacturing process. Now we need to open first the Microsoft team. Then we need to go to the teams here, as you see here, to the teams here, and click the teams here. Then you're gonna find the team here, the open page of team. If I need to search any team here, I can find it what the team that I want. For example, I need to join and join team here. All the teams gonna appear to me in order to go with any group that I am interested in. But instead this, I need to go back with this process and go to join or create team. Then I'm gonna say create team. When I create team, I'm gonna find it four categories: for class, for professional learning community staff, or other. For example, I am able to enter anyone here, but the public one that is allowed to anyone who watch my video, go to the other. When you click the other here, you're gonna find it, use this template in the bottom of this box. Then use this, click this, use this one. After that, he's gonna ask me private, what kind of team will this be? Or if I need private, for example, close group that I want to work with them in order to provide learning or teaching or consulting or anything, or the public that allow to anyone to enter my group. Here, because the easy one is the public for you, I'm gonna go with the public. When I click the public here, the first thing is priority required, what the team name. I'm gonna say, for example, the team name is leadership. Okay, leadership. Now, by writing the leadership here, the create icon is came to me. Then I need to click create. Now it is running to create my team. I just wait a little bit to be done. Now it is done. What need from me right now? He want from me to join the team that I want to work with me in this project. For example, here, because my system open for my students and open for my colleague, if I said any letter, for example, I'm going to say F. Now with the F, is going to match many people here. I can click whatever I want, but I don't like to bother them by clicking anyone. I'm going to invite him. Then the notification message is going to go to his email, require him to connect with me. But I don't like to bother them. And also, I don't like to connect anyone with this process, because I am just teaching in public, not teaching special students or any private students. Then I'm gonna say remove the F. Then I'm gonna say skip. Now, when I skipped it, my leadership team has created, but my leadership team created from the university, but I didn't allow to anyone to join my team. Based on this, I'm gonna work with all the process that I'm gonna create. After that, I'm gonna, when I come to this window, what I'm gonna find general, post, files, and plus. in the post or files, I don't need to do anything here because I have no something interested to open, but I'm going to go to the plus one to request more applications to work with me. When I click the plus here, now many softwares that supported the Microsoft team gonna come to me, and all I just need to request which one I need to work with. Here, if I don't know what the system here, I'm gonna search here. I'm gonna say planner. Planner, this is going to organize my tasks or organize my team based on the calendar that connect with. Now, for this process, I got tasks by planner. I'm going to click it. When I click it, now it's going to be create a new plan, or I have already planned. Because I have no already planned, then I'm going to say create a new plan, then I'm going to say save. Now when it's saved, it's gonna there's a new page gonna appear to me, like organization for Jira process for project management, or other process for many processes that run project management. Now I have to do or add a new pocket. When I close this, open and add a new pocket, it's gonna open another one, add a new pocket until you finish your tasks. Here, for example, I don't need to do. I'm gonna change it by double click. Then I'm gonna say backlog 1. Then here at the add task, I'm gonna click add task. Here I'm gonna name my task. For example, my work as hiring new people, I'm gonna say invite the top candidate. Invite the top candidate. Then here I'm gonna set the due date. Due date is not the start date. Due date when I'm gonna finish with this process. Then I'm gonna set due date. For example, I'm gonna finish on Monday or Monday. Then he's gonna ask me assign. I need to assign someone. I need to hire someone who gonna work with this process, because I have no people has invited by me. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click assign. Then I'm gonna find myself to be included in this project, because when I open this Microsoft team, it's going to work with my email. This means it's going to include me as priority, not options. Then when I click assign, then I'm going to find one name. This is my name. Then I'm going to click it. Here, when I invite anyone, for example, as what I clicked already, if I will not find anyone. If, for example, I will not find it anyone or someone who gonna be came to my project, because I did not call them or invite them already in order to connect with my project. There's no one ready to join me. Then I'm gonna say just I want Hamza to be connect with this project. Then this one has created. Then I'm gonna add the new tasks. For example, in this one, schedule time of interview. Here I'm going to set time, for example, no more than 9, and assign, for example, I'm going to assign Hamza. And here I'm going to say, okay, add task. After that, I'm going to say, confirm the interview. Then I'm gonna set time no more than 9 and assign Hamza as well. Then After that, I'm gonna add task, another task, for example, uh, notify notify the interviewer, notify the interviewers for the interview before 9, and this gonna happen by Hamza as well. And now we have everything. Okay, now I'm gonna go to open a new pocket here. When I open new pocket here, I'm gonna say backlog 2. Here there is a new pocket open because I use this pocket that available for me. Then I'm gonna say, I'm gonna name this one, for example, I'm gonna select the task, start the interview, set time, for example, no more than 10 January, assign Hamza to be in the interview. Then I'm going to add task in order to create my task. Then in this task, I'm going to say, for example, prepare the questions. This should be prepared in 9, no more than 9, because the interview going to happen in 10. Assigned to Hamza as well. And here we have everything ready in the task 2. Here I'm going to add a new pocket. I'm going to name it as backlog 3. Then here I'm going to say, for example, finish the interview. Then this going to happen in 11. Assign Hamza. Here I can assign who included in my project and who notified by email and who connected in my process and who is active in my project. Okay, I don't need to notify someone and he's not active with me, because I cannot assign this work for anyone not active. I need someone active because I have due date to finish my processes in order to complete my process to hire someone or to reject someone. Now finish the interview. Now here I'm gonna get this session. Now set time, for example, by 12 and assign Hamza. And here I'm going to be okay with this tasks that I selected. Here you can see I have backlog 1, I have backlog 2, I have backlog 3. All of them regarding the interview. I created some tasks not related together, but some tasks to explain to you how to build the processes to start, to finish, or in progress, in order to complete the process before the meeting start or before the process start as well. Here I have a schedule. This process is connected with the schedule. When I go to the schedule here, I'm going to find my processes here. For example, in 9, I have more than 3 tasks. I have more than 3 tasks. And here I can outline my process with the backlog 1, backlog 2, backlog 3 when I click this one and other one. Here I have 3 tasks going to happen in 9. I have 1 task going to happen in 8. I have 10 in 10 I have start the interview. In 11 I have finished the interview. Here I have get the decision. Okay, here I have for example, here I have plus gonna appear with the days. For example, when I click it, it's gonna open for me a new task. For example, here I'm gonna say hire top candidate. But here I have another task has created in this process to say where you want me to assign this task. For example, I need to assign this in the backlog tree. When I go here and click this one, it's going to appear all the backlogs that I created. Then I'm going to hit backlog tree and assign for person is Hamza. Now the process hire top candidate, then backlog tree, then assign Hamza. After that, here I need to click here, add here. I'm gonna say Hamza. Here I'm gonna say add task. I need to click the blue one in order to add this task. Now I clicked it and the task has added. Then I need to go to the charts. In the charts, I will not find it. Any process has started here. I have not started 9. I have in progress just 0. I have late submission 0. I have completed 0. What I need to do, I need to put all the tasks that I created in the progress. How can I do that? I'm going to go, for example, for first, I need to go to the board. I'm going to find backlog, other stuff. Then I need to go to list here. I can find my steps in the list. Then I need to go to the filter. After that, I need to go to all activities. Here, I need to go to board. In the board, I need to, here, I have group by bucket. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click this one. And after that, I'm gonna say group by progress. Then my process is gonna be changed, not started, in progress, and completed. Okay, for example, if my process here has assigned by the person and the person notify me I have completed hire top candidate or something. For example, I need first to invite the top candidate. Has this done? Yes, this done. Then I'm gonna has this started? Yes, this started. Then I'm gonna go to the progress. And is this done? Yes, done. Then I'm gonna go to the completed. In the completed, this is gonna be as deleted, like is completed. Okay, then I'm gonna go to another process. Is this in progress or is this started? Yes, started. Where is gonna be in the progress. Is this started? Yes, gonna be in progress. And this is gonna be in notify the interviewers in progress. Then I finish all the processes here. Then I'm gonna go to the completed. After that, when I go to my schedule here, I'm going to find it the processes that confirm it. The green one means has completed. But what's going to happen in the board here, in the chart here, everything has changed. I have not started 5. I have in progress 1. I have late submission 0 because I complete my tasks before the due date. Then what about the completed? I have a 3 has completed. Here I have in backlog how many tasks has finished it. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And backlog, I have many tasks has not started as what happened in the backlog too. Then I'm going to go to the board again. Then I'm going to move in progress to be finished. Then I'm going to go to this process hire top candidate. I'm going to wait a little bit. Then I'm going to go to be finished, go to prepare the question and the progress, and finish the interview in the progress, get the decision in the progress, then hire the top candidate in the progress, because the decision under the work in order to get the final decision. When I go to charts here, everything has finished. In progress, I have 4. Not started. All the processes or tasks has started, and then completed only 5 ones. When I go to the schedule, I'm going to find many greens one here, but here I have processes in this in the progress, as you see here in the cycle. When I go to the list again, and I'm gonna find it this processes with the priority, without creating priority. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the board again, then I'm gonna go to group by pocket. Then here I'm gonna click just one click. Then here I can create, for example, what the priority of this process. I'm gonna say, for example, urgent. Urgent. This means the employee or my team gonna pay attention to this process more than other tasks. In progress, I need this, for example, I need this completed, then this one completed, because in progress now the system notify me your process has marked it as completed. Then when I close it, I'm going to find it, this process, move it to the completed. Okay, now for example, for finish the interview, I need my team to finish as soon as they can. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click this one, then I'm gonna go to priority and say, please, origin, I need to get the session quickly. Finish your work, please, quickly. Then start anytime here, because I did not schedule the start time. Only I schedule the due date or the finish date. I have to finish on this time. Now, who's the employee that work with this? This assigned to me, because I did not hire anyone to help all who watch this video to schedule whatever he or she wants. Now I created priority. When I go to the list here, I'm going to find the priority here, and I'm going to find two tasks that did not finish yet. I can click this one, double click, then I'm going to find this in medium, and I'm going to find in progress. Then I'm going to say urgent process, because I hired already. Then this is going to be completed, and the system notify me that the process has completed. Then when here I have notes, if I need to write any notes to my manager, or I need to write any notification for my manager, I'm gonna write down here, dear manager, I got for example, I got the process completed, and it is and you can find it, the list of top candidate on your desk. Regardless, here you can write down whatever you want in your notes, and when you close this one, you're gonna find this note gonna be saved to your manager to read it. Now when I go to chart again, then I'm gonna find it only two tasks in the progress. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the board again and change this by group to in progress. Then after that, I'm gonna move all the processes to be finished. Then I'm gonna find it, all the processes has finished it, and here the schedule, all the schedule has green. This means my process has finished, and the board here, everything finished, and here the chart is okay, and the process has done. At this point, I finish explaining how to use a planner with Microsoft Teams to organize your tasks and to schedule your tasks for meeting. Thank you and have a wonderful time.